Good afternoon. I'm pleased to announce that Prospect Resources has successfully completed our rights issue, raising approximately 2 million Australian dollars. The past 2 months have been a turbulent time for most facets of the global economy, as well as Prospect, our shareholders, and our staff. As shareholders are aware, we've significantly reduced our workforce and overall cost base. The rights issue was heavily supported by our major shareholders, board of directors, and management. Our shareholders are the lifeblood of our company, and we are thankful for their continued support. We also welcomed a number of new shareholders from Europe who have seen the opportunity and the progress Prospect has been making in signing memorandums of understanding with Sibelco and UraniumOne. It is clear that the COVID-19 has substantially reshaped the global landscape, not only for investors, but particularly new opportunities within the clean energy supply chain. This shifting focus towards clean energy minerals, such as lithium, has attracted enormous awareness as the drop in airborne pollution during lockdown has reinforced the mechanism that to reduce emissions, we need to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. It's worth reminding shareholders of what we have at Arcadia, because whilst global markets have dropped, the Arcadia asset has not changed, and it is still one of the largest undeveloped lithium deposits in the world. Arcadia is in a unique position as it is the only lithium asset that will produce both low-iron spodumene for the electric vehicle market and ultra-low-iron petalite, lithium concentrates for the glass and ceramic markets. Prospect is expected to be the largest ultra-low-iron petalite producer in the world. In mid-April, the company entered into a memorandum of understanding with Sibelco to provide an exclusivity period up to the 1st of June 2020 for the parties to negotiate and execute a binding offtake agreement for Arcadia's ultra-low-iron petalite product. Sibelco is the largest distributor of ultra-low-iron petalite in Europe and possibly the world. It is a significant blue-chip European customer with an annual turnover of some 3.5 billion euros. UraniumOne Group. The strategic race by nations to secure battery metals is a continuing theme in 2020 and continues unabated during the COVID-19 lockdown. Prospect is at the forefront of this in Africa. Reaffirming this, in December 2019, we signed a memorandum of understanding with UraniumOne. UraniumOne is a company of ROSATOM, the Russian state corporation for nuclear energy. The MOU was providing them with an exclusivity through to the 10th of August 2020 to allow them to complete due diligence with a view to potentially entering into an offtake agreement for at least 51% of Arcadia's future lithium production and an equity investment in Prospect or its subsidiaries. Russia lacks any substantial lithium reserves but remains committed to building a renewable energy supply chain, with UraniumOne mandated to manage this clean energy portfolio. This has firmly placed Arcadia on the map as UraniumOne conduct a global search to strategically secure supply of lithium and other battery minerals. To Russia, Arcadia represents a potential cornerstone asset to build out a battery supply chain and EV ecosystem. We see UraniumOne as a complementary partner to our existing offtake partner, Sinomine, and our future partner, Sibelco. Afreximbank. On the 17th of December 2019, we signed a mandate with Afreximbank to arrange the debt finance for Arcadia project. This process is progressing at a frustratingly slow pace, which has been exacerbated by the global finance upheavals caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. As the world gets back to normal, we expect the progress with Afrexim will accelerate. So, with completion of the share rights issue, our main focus is now on completing a binding offtake with Sibelco for the company's ultra-low-iron petalite, completing discussions with UraniumOne Group, and completing project finance with Afreximbank. I look forward to bringing updates as we take Arcadia Lithium project forward. Thank you.